Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to buy iShares in the US. If you're new here, iShares are exchange-traded funds, ETFs, managed by BlackRock, one of the biggest names in finance. They're super popular because they offer a simple way to diversify your portfolio with stocks, bonds, or even commodities, all at a low cost. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, buying iShares can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. First things first, you need a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. If you don't have one yet, popular options in the US include Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. These platforms are user-friendly and often have low or no fees for ETF trades. Once you're signed up, verify your identity and link a bank account to fund it. This might take a day or two, so plan ahead. Step 2. Do your homework. Research different iShares funds based on your goals. For example, if you're aiming for broad market exposure, check out the iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, IVV. Use tools like the fund's prospectus on BlackRock's website or your brokerage's research tools to understand fees, performance, and risks. Remember, investing always involves market volatility, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, onto the fun part: making the purchase. Log into your brokerage account, search for the specific iShares ticker symbol, and decide how many shares to buy. You can place a market order for immediate execution or limit order to set your price. After confirming, hit submit, and voila, you're now an iShares owner. Once you've bought in, keep an eye on your investments. Set up alerts for price changes and review your portfolio regularly. It's also smart to consult a financial advisor, especially if this is your first time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's build wealth together. See you next time.